Hello, chicks. No. See, Man U and Chelsea straight win. Do am straight win. I know it's not the day. It's in this one they look one. See, no, use your 100 naira. I go balance you later now. And I go pay you back. No, yeah, one. What are you looking at? Huh? Small girl. What are you even doing? Let me see. Give me that book. My rich uncle. You have not even written anything. If it is to talk, now you will just open your mouth. Small essay, my rich uncle. You never write anything.
I don't have anything to write.
You don't have anything to write. What are you saying? Are you stupid? Don't you have an uncle?
Unfortunately, I'm my only uncle, so practically I don't have anything to write.
You know that rubbish.
Just take a look at yourself. Do you still think I have anything to write?
Think about your life. Sorry.